Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
Hey, everyone! Welcome back. Today, we're drawing and coloring a lion's family with nature details. Start with the face shape, then add a cute nose, a mouth, and ears. Woo! Then add a wavy mane around it. Draw cute big round eyes.
Yeah!
Next, draw the lion's body and legs.
Yeah!
Draw a long tail with a tuft at the end. Now, let's draw the little lion cub. Draw with smaller rounded ears. Add eyes, a nose, and a cute smile to give it a playful look. Draw the cub's small body, legs, and a tiny tail. Add some grass backside to lion.
Okay.
Time to add a tree on the right side.
Yay!
Draw the trunk, and then make fluffy green leaves on top. Now, add a bright sun on the left corner.
Wow!
Draw a small bird flying in the sky to bring more life to the scene.
Yeah!
Now it's time to add in colors. Let's do it! For the big lion, color the mane with orange.
Okay.
Use a light brown for lion's face.
Oh yeah!
Add pink color for mouth. I use brown for his body's legs and tail.
Okay.
For tuft, I use marin. The cub can be colored at a similar light brown with a lighter shade of orange for its ears and tail tip. Plus,
Okay.
Yay!
I use orange for ear and tuft.
Uh-oh.
It's light green for used grasses.
Whoopee!
Use maroon for tree bark.
Yoo-hoo!
Leaves for I use green.
Yeah!
Color the sun bright yellow to make it shine in the sky.
Yes!
Woohoo! For the bird with pink and yellow to make it look cute. I use watercolor here, and for sky, I select blue.
Yes! Yeah! Yes!
At last we color the ground of brown.
Yoo-hoo! Whoa!
Wow. Once everything is colored, there you go. A happy lion family enjoying their day in nature. See you in the next video. Bye.